Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we were discussing Genius Cerebrum Mathematics Olympiad past papers. This paper is of level 2. That means the students of grade 3rd, 4th and 5th are taking this paper. So therefore, we have already discussed 5 questions in previous video. I would be giving you the link in description box. You can watch that video from there. So as you know, there are total 60 questions and 1 hour time is being allocated to each and every student. So therefore, keeping that in mind, we are going to discuss from question number 6 because up to question number 5 we have already discussed. So here, try to understand the question number 6. So this is question number 6, and there is the information, the clues which are given here. So here it is saying that bucket A holds 9 liter of water. So I'm simply going to write 9 liter of water is being held by this bucket number A. Second thing, it is saying that bucket B holds 4 liter and 840 ml less water than A. That means bucket B has less water than A. And how much less water than A? 4 liter and 840 ml less water. So try to understand. Here we have to subtract. And for subtracting, we have Indian methods, Indian tricks. They are the best. So just I'm going to make a chart. Here I'm going to represent liter and here I'm going to represent ml. Try to understand. 1000 ml makes 1 liter. This is the fact which you have to remember. Here I have 9 liter and here in milliliter I have 000 because I have to subtract from A, right? So that I would get the value in B. So I have to subtract how much? 4 liter and 840 ml. Here I have to subtract. It is like common subtraction, but here I can't subtract 840 ml out of 000 ml. So here I need to take one carry. And when I'll take 1 liter, when I'll take out 1 liter into ml part, that 1 liter from this side will become here 1000 because we know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So therefore, right now I have taken one carry to that side. So now it's just 8 liters, right? So here I'm just writing 8 for your convenience. Once you will learn this method, this is best way to solve. Here now I'm going to subtract. So I have 1000 and I have to subtract 840 out of it. So here if 0 and 0 will go like that, then after that it would be just 6 because 10 minus 4 would be 6. And here there would be 9 and 9 minus 1 means 8 would be 1. So here we have 160 ml and here I just have to subtract 4 liter out of 8 liter. So what will come? The 4 will come. So therefore the bucket B has 4 liter and 160 milliliter of water. It is its capacity. Read about bucket C. Bucket C hold 2 liter and 520 ml more water than bucket B. That means whatever water we have in bucket B, bucket C is holding more water. And how much more water is it? It is holding 2 liter and 520 milliliter. That means here I have to add. Again, I'll make the same chart. No need to convert any. Right here I have liter, I have milliliter. This time I have to add. I have to add 4 liter, 160 milliliter, and I have to add here 2 liter and 520 milliliter in this. I'm going to add. So here it would be just 0, here would be just 8, and here would be 6. So here you can easily get the answer. You can easily get the answer. And again, if you will add this one, 6. So here 6 liter and 680 ml. So which is the option? So option B is correct. Go to question number 7. If you will go to question number 7, here we have the output of the produce. That means the crop. So the output of the crop in year 2000 is this much. And in year 2001 is this much. Here I can easily see that in 2000, the crop production was more. And the question is asking that the crop production was more in 2000, but by how much? But by how much? That means simply I have to subtract them. So here I'm just going to write my number like this. And here I'm just simply going to subtract them. 360 and 708. Try to subtract them. So here I will take one carry. Here it would be 10. 10 minus 8 would be 2. Here would be just 1. So I would be just writing 1 because I just have to subtract 0 out of 1. So here I have to subtract 7 out of 9. What will come? 2 will come here. And here I have to again subtract 0 out of it. So just 8 would be there. Again, I have to subtract 6 out of 0, which is not possible. I am going to take one carry here. It will become 10 and this will be just 3 because I have taken one carry here. So now 10 minus 6 is 4 and 3 minus 3 is nothing, but it is nothing, right? It is just 0. So what is my answer? My answer is 48212 and that is my correct answer. 48212. It has no options at all. So like that also they're asking the question. Come to question number 8. How many lines of symmetry does a triangle with all equal sides have? It is asking that you have a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle is such kind of triangle which has all sides as equal. So I have an equilateral triangle and here it is asking that equilateral triangle have how many lines of symmetry. That means in how many equal parts and in how many ways I can divide them equally. Try to understand. Let me change the color of my pen. See, actually, you might be knowing that there are medians in triangle. There is median. So this is one median which we can draw. That means one median could be like this. One line of symmetry is like this. And from all vertices, from all the corners, I could make this kind of medians. Like this also I could make and could divide my triangle equally. And like this also I could make and could divide my triangle in equal parts, right? So 3 line of symmetry is possible there. So D is my answer. Here it's very simple question. Here you can see in the diagram. So here there are 4 squares and 4 squares are balanced by 2 hexagons, right? If you have to balance 8 hexagons, how many squares would be needed? So it's very easy. What you are going to do, you are just going to make this hexagon as 8. How I can make this 2 as 8? I'm just going to multiply by 4. And if I'm going to multiply by 4 this side, I have to maintain the balance. I need to multiply this side also. So therefore here I have 2 into 4, that would be 8. And here I have 4. These are the 4 square. 4 times 4 would be 16. So it's just 4 square, it's just 4. 4 times 4 is 16 and that is my answer. So 16 squares are needed. Actually, you know, if you need more detailed explanation, the concepts, you could join me for 1-on-1 session at very nominal prices. Here, try to understand. This is a kind of puzzle, you can say. See, it is called the star puzzle, right? Here we have two kind of means two triangles and these two triangles are making a kind of star. If you will see, there are two triangles which are there. What is the way to solve them? I'm starting from my smallest number and I'm writing all my numbers in clockwise direction. So what would be my smallest number? My smallest number is 3. I'm going to write 3 and I'm just moving in clockwise direction. After that, I'm going to get 7. After that, I'm just going to get a question mark. After that, I'm going to get 18. And after 18, I'm going to get 25. And then I'm going to get 33 like this. Try to find relation. What we can do in 3 that we would be getting 7. See here, can I add plus 4 here? I don't know what is the relation. Check once. So here, if I'm adding plus 4, I should write plus 5 here. So 7 plus 5 would be 12. Right. And again, see, it is following the pattern. Here again, I have to add plus 6. So I'm going to get this. Again, I have to add plus 7. I'm going to get 25. And again, I'll add plus 8. So if you will see that we are adding like plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7, and plus 8 in the pattern. That means my missing number is nothing, but it is 12. So A is my correct answer. So again, I'm just going to solve 5 questions in one video, right? So it might be clear to you. I'm explaining also, so it is taking a bit more time. If you want to join me as a maths tutor or as a science tutor up to grade 10th, you can contact me. This is my WhatsApp number. I have been teaching to international curriculums. So what is my WhatsApp number? Let me check. 9097493120. So I have been teaching to many international curriculums like US curriculum, that is my specialty, UK curriculum, and all other curriculum as well for 5 years. So you could join me and you can ask just for the free demo. If you like the class, you can join me permanently for your course or curriculum. So thank you so much. We are going to meet in another video.